Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. And today it is a little bit of a shorter one. I'm going to show you how to make this really simple but cute Christmas door cookie. But first, we're going to open up our friend's calendar. I have been collecting different charms for a charm bracelet, and this advent calendar also has pins and other little clips that you can get as well. Santa came early this year, and the coldest water delivered my new water bottle. And this one is a kid's size. It's going to be perfect for Ari to use. I will post a link down in the description box below if you want to get your own coldest water. So as we know, I had a little bit of a deleting footage mishap the other day, so I did miss me filling this part in. All I did was I filled it with piping and flooding icing consistency. And for this red here, I'm also using piping and flooding consistency. Because I'm just doing straight lines, I don't need to use just piping consistency, but if that's what you want to use, you can totally use that as well. Now to make the wreath portion, I'm just going to do an outline here, and it really doesn't matter what outline you do. If you don't feel comfortable piping free-handed circles, you could definitely trace something once all of those other lines are fully dry. And then I'm taking some green piping icing consistency, and it's super important that you do use piping consistency or else this will just all kind of meld together and you won't get this nice leaf shape. I am using a fancier leaf tip, but really any leaf tip will do. It just depends on what you want your wreath to look like. If your icing is too dry, then you might notice that when you try to pipe those leaves, the leaves end up coming off of the cookie. So if you really need to work on your piping consistency and that's something that you struggle with, go ahead and check out that video in the right-hand corner. Once the wreath looks exactly how you want it to, you can go ahead and add on some little baubles and decorations. I'm doing this with a piping bag, but I'm also going to be adding some metallic pearls as well. Really though, you could put whatever you want on top. I drop these pearls constantly, so the best way to get them off of there without ruining your design is just to kind of dump that pearl off of the cookie rather than trying to pick it up with your fingers. As always, I should mention that all of the materials that I'm using are down in the description box below. This part is totally optional, but if you would like to, you can add a little bit of snow onto here. And I am using something in between a pipe and flood consistency. It kind of keeps its shape a little bit better than just regular pipe and flood consistency, but it's also not super flooded where you don't see the texture anymore. I love the way that this cookie turned out. Today I actually did it on a sugar cookie, but you could easily do the same design on any type of rollout cookie of your choice. Now let's get into the pricing of this cookie. Now this cookie does have quite a bit of detail on it, so if it was a custom cookie order, that's how much I would charge per cookie. And if it was a stock order, like I mentioned before, if it's not a character, it's a bit of a harder sell, so that's why you'll notice that I do have a lower price for that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading daily, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!